This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to place a spotlight now. Have Enscape running and the view you'll render open. First, choose the Spotlight tool in your host and click where the light should originate. Aim it at the subject so the cone covers the area you want illuminated. Set a baseline intensity and color temperature to match the scene. Start with moderate values so you can refine. Once done, toggle visibility in Enscape to confirm your light appears before moving on. Now refine how the spotlight behaves by adjusting cone angle and falloff so highlights aren't harsh or too narrow. Increase falloff or use inverse square to get realistic attenuation. Make sure shadow softness is set to avoid crisp aliasing while keeping definition. If you need patterned light, apply a cookie or align the spotlight to geometry to project shapes. Once adjusted, scrub through the camera positions to finish by balancing overall exposure and post effects so the spotlight integrates with ambient illumination. Save your camera once satisfied. If your workflow allows, bake or lock lights for consistent output across views. For final renders, confirm shadow quality and sample settings to avoid noise. If the spotlight disappears or looks wrong, first verify intensity and layer visibility, then check exposure and clipping. Restart Enscape or reload the scene if necessary. This usually clears rendering pipeline glitches and restores the light.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.